Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about what is Apache Airflow. So Apache Airflow is open source platform for creating pipelines and workflows. We can author, schedule and monitor workflows programmatically using Apache. It represents workflows as DAG. It has many features. First, pure Python. By using a Python code, we can create workflows and pipelines in it. It provides flexibility. Then useful UI. It provides a rich and user-friendly user interface to create workflows and pipelines. Robust integration. It provides the facility to that is plug and play means it can integrate with many applications like Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure and many more uh, third-party services. It is easy to use. With the knowledge of Python we can create workflows in it. At last it is open source. So Apache Airflow is an open source platform for authoring, scheduling and monitoring workflow using programming. It is completely open source and especially useful in architecturing a complex data pipelines. Originally, it is created for solving the issue that is related with time-consuming task, but nowadays it become powerful open source data pipeline platform. It has many benefits like it's dynamic means what we can do in Python we can do in Airflow. It is extensible means we can integrate it with many number of third-party services. It is scalable means we can run thousands of different tasks per day in it. In Airflow, workflows are represented as directed acyclic airgraph. With each node of DAG, that is directed acyclic graph, we, we can represent a specific task. So let's see the example. So this is the example of pizza making DAG. So here these squares show the specific task. Some tasks are interrelated and some are independent. So here for making a pizza we need a base and toppings. For base we have to need a dough. For that we need a flour, oil, yeast and water. Then for toppings we need different type of vegetables, sauce and cheese. These two tasks are independent and run parallelly. Then this task is dependent on these two tasks. And at last we bake a pizza. So this is the DAG means directed acyclic graph. Directed means every node has directions. Acyclic means it doesn't contain any cycle. And so this is the DAG for pizza making. Let's see the another example that generate visualization from previous day sales. So for this we need a data from different sources. Then we have to transform the data and then create the charts. So that this is the DAGs represented in Airflow. So Airflow is an open source platform for creating a workflow and pipelines. It helps to automate the work. That's all for today. Thank you.